This country has got a lot of talent, tremendous potential.
Almost half the population of this country is not contributing. We are not allowing it to contribute. Okay? We only believe in manpower. We don't believe in woman power. That is not right. Okay? Because the country has to become powerful. We are a backward country only because of this. And we'll stay backward unless we see that the women empowerment is.
Tema has established a vocational training module at its Achard workshop to train local tribal women to work on state-of-the-art CNC machines and welding machines and make them employment ready. क्या सीखना चाहती है? CNC मशीन बहुत अच्छी बात है. हिंदी तो सब किसी को बोलना चाहिए. आप बल्कि घर में भी हिंदी का प्रैक्टिस करो. जमाना ये है कि इंटरनेट के जरिए पूरी दुनिया आपके साथ है, लेकिन इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ेगी तभी आप ऊपर आ जाएंगे. तो नौकरी मिलने की जिम्मेदारी हमारी है. हम आपको नौकरी देंगे. We are already open. We have got everywhere. We can give jobs, but we have to see that they get jobs everywhere else.
We have trained our local people in Achar, not only to be workmen, skilled workmen, but to be staff members. Most of the locals are staff members.
वक्त मिलता नहीं, निकालना पड़ता है. अच्छे दिन आते नहीं, लाने पड़ते हैं.
And the winner was Tema India.
We are really the most talented people in the world. हम लोग के पास टैलेंट है. क्या चीज नहीं है मालूम है? हम लोग बहुत सुस्त हैं. It is just the work culture which will make all the difference.